3 supercars, 3 wild philosophies, and one epic showdown. We've got the Ferrari 488 Pista, McLaren 720S, and Lamborghini Aventador SV. Each brings its own style to the table, but only one can take the crown. Let's dive in. The Ferrari 488 Pista packs a punch with its 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8, cranking out 720 horsepower and 770 newton-meters of torque. It's super light at under 1,390 kilograms, making it razor-sharp and track-ready. This isn't just any 488, it's the ultimate version with instant throttle response. The McLaren 720S cranks out 720 horsepower from a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, but it's the 770 newton-meters of torque that really sets it apart. With a 7-speed dual-clutch and rear-wheel drive, it's all about insane performance, no drama. The Lamborghini Aventador SV packs a punch with its 6.5-liter V12, cranking out 750 horsepower and 690 newton-meters of torque. Its all-wheel drive has a wild sound, but yeah, it's the heaviest at 1,570 kilograms.
Let's get on with the race.
So the question is simple. Can lightweight precision beat raw torque? And can all-wheel drive compensate for extra weight? There's only one way to find out. Standing quarter mile.
Come on. Got my power down that time. Right, here we go. Go on, Pista. Come on, you beaut. What the piggin' hell? No way!
Launch. The Lamborghini explodes off the line. All-wheel drive gives it immediate traction. No drama, just grip. The Ferrari fights slightly for traction, but hooks up quickly. The McLaren launches cleanly controlled, efficient, almost clinical. As speeds climb, torque becomes everything. The McLaren starts pulling ahead, not dramatically at first, but steadily. The Ferrari stays close, incredibly close. The Lamborghini had a strong start, but fell behind as weight kicked in. McLaren 720S won with 10.4 seconds, followed by Ferrari 488 Pista at 10.5 and Lamborghini at 10.7. McLaren takes round one.
Again, this time, locked in third with the car in their sportiest settings. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh yes! Come on, Ferrari! Come on! That McLaren's coming now though. I'm braking hard.
The Ferrari takes off like a Rocket's explosive and aggressive. For a second, it looks like it might pull ahead, but then the McLaren hits full boost and starts closing in fast. At higher speeds, the 720S pulls ahead again. It's so close, but the McLaren just keeps showing off its raw power.
We're going to do the brake test from 70 miles an hour when we hit the line. Here's the line. Full motion stop now. Come on, Ferrari. No!
Surprisingly, the Lamborghini Aventador SV stops first. Despite being the heaviest car here, its braking system delivers outstanding performance. The Ferrari follows closely behind. The McLaren comes last in this particular test. What's the verdict? The McLaren 720S crushes acceleration, while the Lamborghini Aventador SV brings drama with its V12 roar and solid braking. The Ferrari 488 Pista, it's the perfect blend, balanced and sharp. But hey, it's not just about speed, it's about vibe. Do you want British precision, Italian flair, or that epic V12 scream before turbos take over? The choice is yours. Which one would you pick?